Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day. And in this video, you'll see some different length of pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that look really nice and look really amazing. And as you see, this one in a really beautiful black color. It look really nice. It look really amazing. This one is also really beautiful combination. This combo look really beautiful, and it look really pretty, enhanced the overall quality. And as you see, this one is also really beautiful combination, and this one in a black color that look really nice, and that look really amazing. And as you see, this one in orange color, really attractive color, and it looked really beautiful. And as you see, this one is also black and white and pink combination that looked really amazing, really pretty. And as you see, this one is a really beautiful combo. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that goes with every kind of outfit, like it's western or it's traditional. It look really beautiful with both, and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more beautiful. And you can wear heel in every generation, and you can wear heel in parties, like in wedding, in your daily routine. The platform heel that you can wear in your daily routine, it's comfortable to walk. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of footwear lovers on this platform, you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations. So do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this video.